Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix this error. Here you can see it, Windows Firewall error 0x800704 and 24. So how we can fix it? First we need to go to search tab and just write in search tab control and just open control panel. So just click on it. And here you need to find Windows Firewall. Here you can see it. Just click on it. And here you choose user recommended settings. So also if you click here you see this error, so you can get this error. So for fixing it you just need to go here to search tab and just write here services. And here you scroll down this list to Windows Firewall. Here you can see, just right click on it, choose properties, and here you can see that it's also automatic and it's running. So you need to change. If you see here, you will see here disable, so you just click here and choose automatic, and you just click on the start and just click apply and OK. So after you do it, you will open your control panel again. So just open control panel, and you won't see error again when you try to open it. So here you just go here and just do it like I do previous. Just click on use usual settings and it will works and you won't see any error again. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.